আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সবাই কেমন আছেন? হাউ আর ইউ এভরিওয়ান? As a student, we should learn various languages. English is an international language, so we should know this language and should have experience. Without also, if we know English, we should communicate among the world person. If you want to learn English language and speak with fluently, so you can join with me. I practice regularly and upload video. So let's we start. কিভাবে নিজের পরিচয় দিবেন? চলুন একটু বলার চেষ্টা করি। So let's we try to talk. সবাইকে সালাম জানাচ্ছি। I am giving to all salam. And thank to everybody to give me chance talking about myself. I am Hasibul Hassan. I am a student of Rajshahi. Now I am living at Meherchandi in Rajshahi. I have completed SSC from Rajendra College, Faridpur. Then I have tried to admit in university. At last, I have chance to admit this university. My father's name is MD Abul Kalam. He is an entrepreneur. And my mother's name is Sabina Begum. She is a homemaker. I have 3 siblings. One brother is college student, other is and self-independent. My younger sister is a student of class 9. As a capital child of my parents, so I have to sacrifice much problem. I have a good dream. I plan to be a BCS officer. So everyone pray for me as if fulfill my dream. Thank you watching the video. I upload this related video regularly.